Yo guys, my name is Melle Bloemen. I'm a freelance marketing manager. I'm going to tell you everything about how to market a self-release track. So the first thing you should do is come up with a main target and a specific target for your release. A main target, for example, is I want people to listen to my track on Spotify, or I want people to view my video clip on YouTube. The next thing is choose a specific target. Like I want 1,000 people to stream my Spotify release within 1 month after release day, or I want 2,000 people to watch my video clip 1 month after release day. So once you have a main goal and a specific target, you can actively start using the right resources to reach that goal and target. Paying for playlists, don't do it. Try to use that money for creating better content or advertising. Just don't pay for playlisting. The last step I want to give to you is in your description during your Spotify page for playlists. As I said before, try to explain in which Spotify playlist your track would fit and why.
So welcome to this next episode. This one is all about marketing, branding and profile. And I think it's one of the most important things in being an artist. Especially nowadays, because your profile is way more important than back in the days. So we're going to tell you everything we know about this topic. So here we go. Okay, then you come to the point that you're going to combine everything together, and that is a press kit. It's often used by bookings agencies, but if you don't have a bookings agency yet, you can just send it yourself to other artists, other promoters, other bookings agencies. And it's like your promotional tool where people...
big business card.
Yeah, your big business card where people are gonna know you from. And we use a thing in the music industry, it's called a one card. And after this slide, we have a example of that. And in there, you put like everything. It's your big business card with information, your text to social media, your biography, everything people need to know about you. And maybe sometimes it's videos to gigs you did or videos to video clips. But just over here, it's the same. Just keep it simple. Don't overdo it. If you're going to send like 30 tracks with a lot of weird stuff, it doesn't work. People have a really small attention span, so always try to send your best 2 tracks or your best video clip or your best gig, so people instantly have an idea of who you are and what you're doing instead of searching through a lot of information. In the next slide I can show you, this is our one card. So it's one picture, our business card, the gigs we did, a little biography, links to Spotify and everything. I mean, like the links are not in this slide, but you send it with it. Or maybe you can also make a one card website. Yeah, like some people, and now our main website now is also really simple. It's more like a one card with a video on there and the links to all our social media, because nowadays people get all their information mostly from social media instead of a website. So it's changed a lot nowadays. So you can use our one card as inspiration. Don't copy it literally, because it will be weird.
Yeah, it will be very weird to have our biography in your biography, but hey.
Yeah, maybe you will be successful when you try it, but...
when you're alone as a DJ and you use our biography, it's gonna be weird.
It's gonna be funny. Alrighty, and then you come to